here. Today we're going to be doing a DIY, my husband, myself, and my cousin Chris. In the beginning, we're tearing down what used to be my little dining room area, and we're going to change the entrance. So right there where you see the entrance will no longer be the entrance. What he's tearing down will be the new entrance. So a wall's going to go up right there, and we're going to tear that down. Okay, we got the 2x4s down. We're gonna rearrange the entrance here. The goal for today is to change the entrance and paint the walls. I already chose my paint color. It's getting made right now. My helper for the day, my daughter Mary Helen, she is taking the trim off the walls, and my cousin and husband are tearing out the old floor so we can have it ready when we're ready to put in the new floor. There's a lot going on in this video. You're going to see, of course, the walls changing, the floor coming up, and my husband's going to be building something, but we're not going to be able to do everything in the video, so you're still going to see that we have the old floor. So I just put some tape on the wall just to get a little rough draft of what I want the wall to look like. When the fireplace comes in, and it already came in, so I'm excited to see what that's gonna look like in person. But anyways, I got a little rough draft of how I want it to look. Now it's just building it and putting it together. I wanted to show my husband exactly where I want the things and how far apart I want them, so he can just kind of work off of that, and he knows how to build it. So I draw it, he builds it. The fireplace had just come in, so I started it just to see if it works, and I'm putting the logs in there. You get to decorate it with logs and crystals. Sometimes you'll see the flame going really fast. That's not how the fireplace is. I just have the speed on fast so we can go through this video. See, it's really not that fast on that fire. But yeah, you get to decorate it. You don't have to put the logs if you don't want. Alright, this is what we have so far. I just have the TV sitting on the mantle area because we're trying to measure and see exactly where we want the TV at. But since I didn't have a picture to go off of, I looked on Pinterest, Google, to see what it was I was trying to explain to my husband, and I couldn't find what design I'm looking for. So I'm just customizing it by myself, and I gave my husband, I guess, the wrong measurements on how I wanted this mantle to be. So now we're gonna have to customize it a different way. So I think I messed up on that part, but we are gonna make it work anyways. We're gonna try to figure out something on that. And I'm trying to figure out how high I want the hearth to be. I think I'm saying that right, but I'm just trying to get the feel of things and how I'm gonna like it, how much I want it to come out, and that's about it. We'll see how it comes out, because like I said, we don't have a picture to go off of, so he's just going by my imagination. I just actually drew a picture on a paper and told him this is what I want, and then I just came up with some measurements on where I want things to be placed at, how thick I want them to be. So he's just going off of that, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. That's what we chose to be on the fireplace. I like the different colors and the deep tones and the light tones. And this is what's gonna go on top of the hearth. I didn't want nothing too light or too dark, so I'm hoping this is gonna come out good. We didn't have this planned. I actually had a different stone picked, a real light, like this all over. But you know what? We live in West Texas. It gets real dusty and we have kids that are always visiting, and I didn't want nothing too light. I gotta be practical. So I don't know. I think this is gonna fit my needs and I really love it. Can't wait to see it on the fireplace. I put too much water in here and it should have been very little, so whenever you're doing grout and if it's your first time, start out with very little water. I'm talking about like 3 cups maybe, and start adding your grout. Again, the fire flames do not go that fast. I just have this on fast speed. So this is it. Everything's painted, everything is done, and I am so happy with it. I love it so much. I'm very, very grateful for this. We're gonna have floating shelves on the side. We're still not done, but we're done with the fireplace part. And I just wanted to show the different flames right here because I've had people come over and love the fireplace. And I never showed them that you can change the color of the flames and the rocks there on the bottom. So we're just going through it. I don't have it on fast speed so that you can see. The blue, I don't know why it looks like this on the video, but in person, the blue actually looks really, really pretty. I don't know why the camera caught it like this, but it's really nice. I really like all the colors. I cannot wait to decorate my mantle and my new fireplace. It's gonna be something that I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted, and I'm so happy my husband made this for me and made my little dream come true of having a fireplace. And I actually think it's better than a real gas one because I don't like the heat. So I just get to enjoy the picture of it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Be blessed.